Why did you come for me?
Those who enslaved you killed our leader and banished us from our land. Join us, and we will have our revenge.
47 Ronin is based on a real story.
Their army is infinite. We are 47.
This story is the most famous samurai story in Japan.
Here, you have the tradition of Chushingura, the telling of that story through the eyes of a fantasy that's grounded on Japanese mythology.
It's big. It's got great themes like honor, revenge, love. My character is in love with the princess, but it's an impossible love. He can never be with her. She's taken away. She's in jeopardy.
From this moment on, you are banished from this land.
You are now Ronin.
It is time. Your world will burn.
It's a samurai film, but also fantasy.
Whatever happens, whatever you see, there's no coming back.
Your life belongs to us.
Then take it if you can.
Every country has the same spirit of samurai and never give up.
We have the 47 against hundreds, and it's how we prevail.
We're not afraid of you.
You should be.
It's an epic, human, heroic story.
The world will know who we are and what we did.